Hello and welcome to our new website. I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for classes so that it's easy for you and you make sure that you are signed up for your class. Click on the virtual class dropdown. If you're part of one of our companies, go to the Corporate Live virtual daily schedule unless you have exclusive class with Paychex or with U of R. And if you're part of the general public and you self-pay, go to the general public schedule. Here I'm on the Corporate Live Virtual Daily Schedule. I'm going to check that my company is listed here, so I know it's the correct one. And I'm going to scroll down. If I'm going on a tablet or an iPhone, I may choose to download the app, which might be a little bit easier. And if I'm wanting to schedule multiple weeks of classes or multiple classes, I may choose to go to our old version of our schedule. The old version of our schedule is here. So this format makes it a bit easier to fill my cart with multiple classes per week or every week of Monday yoga. If I'm just looking to sign up for one class or try something out, let me show you how to get through that. I'm going to hit the sign up button. I see that I want to register for a bar class. I hit next. I type in my login or I create a new profile. Here I've created my new login. I've put in my new password. I'll put in basic information and contact info. And then it's important that I leave my account management information checked because this allows me to receive my confirmation email and my links to class. So now I'm going to choose the cost for the class. If I have a promo code, I can choose any of these, but corporate sponsorship is the best way. If I want to sign up for multiple classes, I can choose a 10-pack, and that's the easiest way to be able to sign up for multiple classes is to choose a larger pack. Now I'm at the promo code spot. I might hit add promo code, type in my code. Now my promo code makes the class 0. I'm going to hit checkout. And now I have a thank you. As soon as I get that thank you button, I know I'm in class. I can click over here to the person picture, and I can see the class that I'm signed up for and alter anything that might be in my account info. Now I've clicked out of the pop-up box. I can sign up for another class. I'm still signed into my account. I can hit next, again, go through the process of choosing corporate sponsorship, choosing the promo code, and signing out. And again, if you want to sign up for multiple and you don't want to go through the checkout process, choose the 10-pack, and then you'll be able to sign up for multiple or go to our old sign-up sheet, which is here, change the day and the week, and you can add to your cart and sign out a little bit differently. If you hit any hurdles, please email us at support@inwardoffice.com or marla@inwardoffice.com, and I look forward to meeting you in class.